it's Brooklyn back with another video, and in today's video I am going to be showing you I'm going to be showing you how to make dog scent spray. Like if your dog smells like nasty, then then we will fix it and make a spray. And stay tuned to the end because I'm going to be doing a shout out. They get to win a special prize, either a Polaroid camera or something else. Alright, so let's just make this. So, my dog's name is Gucci, and we're going to make him some scentsy sprays. Alright. Hold up. Alright, anyways, so first you're gonna fill it up with warm water or cold, but I'm filling it with warm water just because cold water, no, it absorbs it. Sorry, that was my dog. So I feel like warm water will do the best. So fill it up about, I have a line right there. I'm gonna fill it up to that line. Oh, I need to get my warm water. Come on, warm water. Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. So it's now filled up to the line. So get your favorite perfume. So my favorite is Victoria's Secret, or whatever you feel like should go on your dog. Hey, yeah, my doggy's right there. All right, puppy, out. Go. Okay. Now let me show you my scentsy. Alright, it's under. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Victoria's Secret's Very Sexy Fragrance Mist. So let's. Just put about a lot of sprays. You gotta make it absorb the water. Okay. Alright, I gotta take my dog out to go pee. Dog can come with me. Alright, puppy, let's go potty. Come on. Come on, Gucci. This way. This way. This way. Alright, let's go back and make this surprise. He's out there. Alright, so you just have to put a lot to where it gets white like this. It's not as clear, it's white. Then you're gonna get your cap. See that in there? Like good. Tight. And then you wanna make sure your thing is closed where it doesn't spray. Shake it. I recommend using something that smells good. I use this because it smells really good. Alright, and then you can unwind that. Alright, I'm going to spray some on me. And there's a Scentsy that smells really good. Now let's go spray on my dog when it comes back. Alright. Let's bring him back inside. Tootie! Gucci! Gucci! Come on! Alright. Now I'm going to tell him to sit. He just likes, he's looking for food. Sit! 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 Sit, boy. Sit! Sit! Come here! Go get it. Alright, now he smells good, and you just gotta let it sit. And he's gonna shake it, but there we go. Alright. It's time for... It's time for shout out time. Whoa, 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 disco, disco, ooh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, so before we do our shout outs, I'm gonna tell you all my stuff. Go subscribe, turn on my post notifications to be a member of our family. Follow me on Instagram at Brooklyn Badola. Twitter, Brooklyn Badola. TikTok, I will put that in the description below. And yeah, so shout out time. And these are random picks. Like I just picked somebody random who subscribed, turned on the post notifications, said I'm done, and followed me on everything. Right. Drum roll, please. Okay, this person won either a Polaroid camera or a prize. It's only one person. Drum roll, please. Jaslyn Reyes! She turned her post notifications on. She subscribed. She followed me on Instagram. And she followed me on TikTok, Twitter, everything. And she is a real one. She is a part of our family. She is a part of the BB Squad. So, have an awesome day. I will put Jaslyn Reyes that she won in my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And, yeah, have fun, Jaslyn Reyes. I hope you enjoy your prize.